Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Data Analytics with Excel Lab. Today I am going to explain the lab program 7. Conditional formatting, phrasing and highlighting the data in spreadsheet during the data analysis. So open the Excel. Excel has a large number of additional formatting option, and while there are useful shortcuts on the home tab, on the tab toolbar, the most comprehensive list of options can be found by the right clicking on our selected cell or cells are selecting format cell from the drop down menu. Right click on the format cell. This is our format cell. This gives us a dialog box which is the following tabs: numbers, alignment, font and border and fill and protection. Now first we see about the numbers. This provide the list of formats or how numbers will display in the cell selected. These are probably the most powerful to know. So here numbers, in the numbers, currency, counting, date, time, percentage, fractions, scientific, test, special and custom. Next, number. If you are working with non-whole number, we can select this option and limit the number of decimal place to something consistent. Currency. If you are working with money, we can select this and pick the currency value and number of decimal place to display. Next, date. Select this to pick how we want to dates display. Any date enter will automatically be revised to conform to the format. Next, text. Select this if you are entering number that we want to display exactly as entered. Excel will sometimes alter large number of scientific notation or remove leading zeros. If we have a number that is meant to identify something, this will prevent Excel from displaying the number any way other than the how we enter it. Next, we see about the alignment. This gives us given a number of options for the aligning test within each cell selected and controlling how it fits within each cell. Next, test alignment, horizontal and vertical. Text control, raptors, spring to fit, merge cells, right to left, test direction. Next, we have font. This tab gives us option for altering the appearance and size of text within each cell selected. So here we have the font and font style and font size, underline and color. Next we have the border. This determine how the border between the individual cells appears. We are given option for the style of the border line, its color and which border is to be altered. Generally we want to use this for multiple cells as a way of distinguishing column or distinguishing columns or rows. So this is the line style, none, outline, inside. This is the border, color automatic. Next we go to the fill. So fill determines the background color or pattern of the cell selected. So pattern color and the pattern style and background color. Next, phasing. Insert our data into Excel spreadsheet. So this is our data. Select the column that contain the data we want to phase. Select the data. Choose the data tab in the ribbon and click on the test to column option. Select the delimiters in the dialog box. Then next select the space. In delimiters, we have the option tab, semicolon, comma, space and others. And select the option space, click on next. Here we can see how the name are separated. Click on next. Click on finish. Here we can see how the first name and last name are separated by the delimiters. Next, highlight the data in spreadsheet. So we have to highlight this data in the Excel. So click on, go to home in the toolbar, select new cell sheet, new cell style. In the style name box, type an appropriate name of the new cell style. Click format. So I want to apply the color for the John. So right click on it and select the format cell. In the format cell dialog box on the fill tab, select the color that we want to use for the right highlight and click OK. Here we have the fill option. I will choose blue color and then click on OK. Click on OK to close the style dialog box. So here I apply the color, background color for the John. So Neil. I have another way of applying the color for the background. So I am applying the Neil color. So in this option, in the home option, I want directly in the color, I will apply the color. This is another option for applying the background color. This is our program 7 explanation. Thank you.